In this guide, I'll show you how to change your profile picture as well as your pose in Roblox. Now, the first thing you need to do is launch up the Roblox application, and then from here, we're going to come over to Avatar on the left-hand side. At the top, next to Marketplace, we need to come into Customize, and then come over to the Purchase tab to see all of the avatars that we have available to us. At the moment, you can see I have this Roblox avatar selected. If I wanted to change that, I could just select the new avatar to change to. Then just go ahead and press switch. And as you can see, that's now changed the Roblox avatar. So once you've selected the character that you want to use, we then need to come over to this profile icon in the top right hand side, and then from here this will take us to the edit profile picture page. From here we can select an emote to pose for your avatar. At the moment we have this hello pose chosen, but we can change this to stadium for instance. So once you've selected the emote that you want to use for your profile picture, go ahead and press next, and then from here we can reposition the camera by zooming either in or out. So we can have this zoomed in really far if we want, and we can also rotate this to either the left or the right. Once you're happy with how the profile picture looks, just go ahead and press next. And as you can see, this is our final profile picture. This is what it looks like. And if you want to view the full thing, we can just press a view full avatar here. And finally, once you've finished and you're happy with everything, go ahead and hit save. And that's it guys, we've now successfully changed our profile picture. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.